Hey, Scott Austin here. In this video, I'm going to do a walkthrough of the ActivMend website. This is a new store build that I did for ActivMend, which creates a healing pad for people that have pain or injuries, like a abrasion, a bruise, or a sprain, not for broken bones, but for soft tissue. And they have one product. So the store only has one product that it's selling, but there's lots of information around that product that we put together into this store. And the brand came to me with already this black and blue color scheme, and we use that throughout. You'll notice even on the imagery, on the photos, even like we would change a little bit, the backgrounds to the blue to match the brand, which I think brings things together really, really well. And the company created a lot of content, right? So we have photos, we have infographics, we have testimonials, all sorts of good information. And what you see that we do in this store design is we take that information and we present it a lot of different ways. I'm always a fan of saying, everything starts with content. And once you create that content, it's easy to build out different site experiences. So here's the main store where land on the home page, and it's a simple, short, value prop: recover faster, perform better, right? And one quick call to action: buy now. And then we walk through some more value props you can buy right on the home page because it's a one product site. More information, what it works for, what it doesn't work for. A nice infographic. I'm a huge fan of infographics, especially for things like this. And then some customer reviews. We're using the Judge Me Reviews app for this one. More information that takes them deeper into the site on the different content pages we have, which I'll show you quickly or here. And then we have product seals throughout for all the different value props. And depending on what page you're on, you'll see different product seals. An Instagram feed brought right into the home page. And we're using Klaviyo for email. And here's a sign up form for Klaviyo. So there's the home page. Now on the top level, we have a buy now link, which takes you to the product page. A couple product seals there. Money back guarantee, because that's so people are going to wonder about, and also free shipping, so they understand the full value props when they hit that add to cart button. Some good text information with some bullet points, and bold texting to highlight the main value props. That infographic from the home page, shipping policy and an accordion return policy in the accordion, and the product reviews. And then on the other top level pages, there's the about the science behind this product. So people will understand, how is this product created? What is the science behind it? Tell me some more. They can read this information and understand that. And then a listing of all the product reviews. And this is just a Judge Me template. And then instructions on how to use it. So once you buy the product, here we clearly, list out all the steps to using it. And this is the kind of content we also send in the post-purchase email flow from Klaviyo. And then in the footer, we have another about page. This is Dr. Joe. She's the inventor of the product, the scientist behind it, the doctor behind it. So she tells her story here. And then the other ones, that we have an FAQ, lots and lots of questions and answers, and a typical contact page. So pretty simple site, although there's a lot of content here, right? And I think it comes together really well because the branding is just so strong with this blue and black pervasive throughout everything in the store. But that was just half the site build, right? So the next step we did is we wanted to start advertising on Google and on Facebook this product to customers. So we built out a whole series of landing pages, and you can see here we got like a dozen of them or whatever. And different landing pages focus on a different part of the body or a different problem, whether it's pain or injury or trouble sleeping and all that kind of stuff. So we had all that content that I talked about, and then we just got to reuse that content in different ways. So for example, if we have the pain page is a great example. Let's go to this one here. We had found from some of the data that the people that were experiencing pain were older people. So we have a page that has product photography with older people in it, and a lot of the same information we talked about, but all the reviews talk about the pain, and the value props here talk about how you can get rid of long-lasting pain using this product. If we go back to another one, so I think it's the injury one here. Let's just go to this one right here, I think. This one here, for injuries, we assume this is more the athlete that's getting injured or the younger person. So you'll notice the photography here is younger people, athletes, and we have pro testimonials, whether it's from sport trainers or from professional athletes, that talk about the product and the benefits and all that good stuff. So same product, but a very different page based on the audience and the value prop for that audience. And like I said, we came up with a whole bunch of different ones, and this is just the beginning of the project. Right now this is for rotator cuffs and for Achilles, and there's a lot of other body parts that we'll be expanding to market to. So I showed you a couple of the shoulder pages. Here's an example of the Achilles page. So now we're showing people running instead of using their arms in the photography. Um, there you go there. Nice looking page. And I'll show you one more just to really drive the point home of taking that content and making it specific to the message for that page. So this one here is the sleep focus. If you're injured, a lot of the problems people have with their injuries is they can't get good sleep. So you can imagine here that the Google ad says, is pain preventing you from sleeping? Learn more about our product, and they land on a page like this that says sleep better with less pain. And then everything we talk about here is about how you're going to sleep better. The reviews are about customers who got improved sleep because of using the product. So lots of reusing of the content. I think about it like playing Tetris, right? You got all these pieces in front of you, and you get to assemble them in a whole bunch of different ways based on the goal or the mission of any given page. So that's the ActivMend store design. This is a Shopify store done with the Flex theme. Thanks for watching.